Today, I'm going to unbox my Oculus Quest 2. So inside the box, we have the right controller and the left controller. Buttons are really crisp and the weight is amazing. Very comfortable to hold and to use. Let's check the small box. Inside is a bunch of manuals, a Type-C to Type-C cable, and a power adapter. Looks clean and nice. And over here is the volume button, a 3.5mm jack port, and a Type-C port for charging, and the power button. The dedicated Quest strap is very flexible, and you can adjust it depending on your head size. We also have a soft padding over here, and a free silicone inside the box. We also have a glass spacer for people who use glasses to give it much more room for your glass to fit inside the Oculus without scratching the lens. Applying it is really simple. So that's what's inside the Oculus Quest 2 box. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and please don't forget to like and share. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next.